Jesus Christ. Toasty. Boys, we're back. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's been hard times. I got kicked out. I lost my job. I went to prison. YouTube took my YouTube channel down and deleted it. And now I'm living in a laundry room somewhere deep in Appalachia. They told me to get a life, so I got a knife, and then I stabbed them all, and I laughed about it. Shit, I'm jailbreaking, and the police are chasing, and I stabbed them all, and then I laughed about it. Okay, a little song about stabbing people. Just what the world needs. I think I'm gonna lay down some guitar. Let's get this song recording. Okay, I'm envisioning some a cappella kick drum sound for the intro. Okay, I think we have our verse section. Let's see if we can do a little positive, uplifting chorus. If you're wondering why all the instruments sound like they are out of tune, it's because they are. I'm looking for that shit quality, like some type of idiot made this song. I'm about to suck ass, but here we go. I think I'm gonna start saying some stuff. I'm inhabiting a character. I'm inhabiting some freak energy. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Okay, what is it? Okay, I'm now someone with poor impulse control. I'm at the dinner party. People are making jokes at my expense. People are, disagreeing with my lifestyle choices. I'm starting to get a little pissed off. Ego engaged. I'm starting to get a little stabby. I'm saying, hey, if you keep on running your mouths, this whole table is about to get lit up. And now with this energy, I shall launch into this song. They told me to get a life, so I got a knife. Then I stabbed them all, then I laughed about it. Boys, I'm sucking ass. I'm having some thoughts. I'm pitchy. It feels a little slow. I kind of want to speed it up. I want the energy up. I want to rap, yell it out. I think I'm just going to throw the instrumental to tape and speed the song up and see what happens. Okay, we got it on the tape. The song's faster. Let's freaking go. Let's belt through this. I'm tired of this shit. I'm tired as hell. Told me to get a life, so I got a knife. Then I stopped them all, then I laughed about it. Now I'm in prison, stopping prisoners and shit. Saving people's taxes and nothing about it. Shit. Jailbreaking in the police chasing, then I stopped them all, and then I laughed about it. I solved all problems with I keep on stabbing till no one's left standing. Okay, I'm done. I did about 57 takes off camera. We rearranged some things, but we got a demo. Don't go stabbing people. Keep your emotions in check. Keep it cool like Curt, alright? I'm going to bed. Night, night. Thank you for joining me in the laundry room. See you next time.